So I know, hanging up a picture frame doesn't seem like a difficult task, right? You get your hammer, you get your nail, you put it on, you hang the picture, voila, right? Well, sometimes it can be a little trickier than that. For example, what if you're a renter and you don't want to deal with holes in your walls and patching up holes when you leave? I got a solution for you. Adhesive strips are going to be your new best friend. Let me tell you all about it. Different adhesive hooks and strips have different weight limits. Weigh your picture to see how heavy it is. Pull out your bathroom scale, stand on the scale, and take note of your weight. Step off, grab the picture and get back on. Take the new total and subtract your weight. The outcome is the weight of the picture. Common advice is to position the picture about 57 to 62 inches from the floor, or around eye level. I suggest having a partner hold the picture where you want it and stand back to get a feel for where you want to put it. For the command hanging strips, I recommend using a level and drawing a line to help guide you when attaching the frame to the wall. So clean and dry the wall where you want to hang the picture, and then follow the instructions on the package. They make it really clear on how to stick it to the frame and get it to the wall so it'll last a long time. Once the picture has been hung, use a bubble level on top of the frame to make sure it looks good. And the best part is that they come right off the wall by pulling down. Now you know how awesome adhesive strips are. To find out more, go to familyhandyman.com.